We are not coding a full RPG system in this video, but I want to spend some time speccing out an imaginary system so you can understand how custom resources, using the patterns we discussed, can scale up to build a whole game's worth of content. We'll keep with the fantasy RPG flavor here, but we're not limited to fantasy or even RPGs. At the top level, we have some overarching data state class that holds all of our top level state. A character might have a resource variable for a class, like we said before, and a species. Class might contain some simple data about what types of items you can use or how your stats might grow. These could be represented with primitive data, enums, or even resource links. The biggest thing a class does if we're using D&D inspired worlds is unlock abilities based on level. Either you just get them or you have to make a choice. If you just get abilities, they can simply live on the class, and we can use the character level to determine if you have access to them. If there's a choice or some other way to get abilities, then class doesn't fully define abilities, and maybe we have to put references to these new abilities onto the character directly when they are chosen. This is for you to decide based on your game's design. But abilities themselves should probably be their own data class, so they can store local data like cooldowns or power levels, and a referenced resource which we can build out from. Let's look at an ability custom resource. Ability resources probably get a name and description, maybe an icon, but importantly, they should probably also get effects. We can break down abilities and effects into a few different categories.